In this video, we will show you how to view your policy benefits in the MyNEXtCARE app. To view your policy benefits, click on the policy icon located in the middle of the menu bar. This will take you to the Policy Details page, where you can view your policy holder name, your policy expiration date, the name of the insurance company, the address of the insurance company, a downloadable certificate, information about your policy benefits, and also your connected family members. When you click the certificate button, you will be prompted to select the beneficiary and choose to either download or share the certificate. When clicking on Benefits Highlights, you will be prompted to select a beneficiary. Select the beneficiary and click Done to proceed. Once done, you will be taken to the Benefits page, where you can view the beneficiary's inpatient and outpatient benefits. Finally, to view your family member's policy benefits, simply click on the name of the beneficiary in the Family Members section. Should your beneficiary be under 18, you will be able to see the benefits. Otherwise, you need to click on the Request Access button. A code will be sent to the beneficiary. You will be prompted to enter the code and verify your entry. Thank you for watching.